Powerlok 2 fasteners, trilobular all-metal locking fasteners for pre-tapped holes. The dual-angle thread profile of Powerlok 2 fasteners provides locking in a threaded nut, eliminating the need for patches, adhesives, lock washers, and other locking devices. The Powerlok 2 is the newest Powerlok design. Powerlok 2 screws obtain their locking action in separate ways. First, interference in the root of the nut thread. Second, spring action from tip deflection. The interference with the root of the nut thread is created by the 30-degree tip, which displaces material in the root of the nut thread. Once the Powerlok 2 screw is tightened, the pressure flank of the screw is brought up toward the head and contacts the nut flank. The tip elastically conforms to the nut thread. The spring action occurs because the tip movement is elastic and will repeat the deflection over multiple cycles. Powerlok 2 screws are used in high-heat applications in the exhaust area. Manifolds and heat shields are popular applications. Powerlok 2 all-metal locking is not affected by high heat. Powerlok 2 screws are used in this automotive cooling fan in order to resist vibrational loosening. Powerlok 2 screws are used to attach an automotive radio to the frame which was supplied with pre-tapped holes. The manufacturer wanted to use rubber mounts and needed the prevailing torque provided by Powerlok 2 screws to hold the radio in place. Powerlok 2 screws provide metal-to-metal contact in the nut member. A joint using Powerlok 2 screws provides superior grounding in joints of electric vehicles, as well as for grounding applications in internal combustion engine vehicles.